Hey everyone, morning, how are we all doing? This is day 4 on the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. So this one today is similar to day 2, where we're actually going back to looking at circles, pitch circle diameters, we're looking at polar arrays again, and we're looking at using the trimming tool. Once again, we're going to now add in a few more extra features that AutoCAD can do, such as look at the properties kind of window, and look at any other aspects as well that you can actually help create, modify, and use kind of the creation tools within AutoCAD. This one today, okay, is basically, in a fundamental principle, it's just a load of circles, and we've obviously trimmed out the parts that we don't need. So I hope you find this one a really good challenge. Remember, the drawing is in the link below. Okay, and guys, just continue to feedback, comment, and I hope you enjoy. And obviously tonight will be the solution for this one. Thanks very much for tuning in, and look forward to seeing how you all get on.